They may ride on an aging platform, but don't count these luxury sports sedans out just yet. The 2025 Audi S3 and RS3 prove that sharp engineering and thrilling powertrains can breathe new life into familiar bones. Updated for the new model year, both compact sedans boast more power, striking new lighting signatures, and refined styling tweaks, all while clinging to the MQB architecture that dates back to 2015. The question is, do these updates keep Audi's dynamic duo at the top of the sports sedan game? The S3 kicks things off at $49,995, though our well-equipped tester rang in at $60,840. Think of it as a sedan counterpart to Volkswagen's Golf R, only sharper, louder, and dressed in a tailored Audi suit. Under the hood sits a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-four, producing 328 horsepower, up from 306, and 295 lb-ft of torque spread over a broader range. It rockets to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, with a hint of turbo lag, but plenty of payoff once it's spooled up. Step up to the RS3 Quattro, and the intensity cranks up several notches. Starting at $64,695 or $77,045 with a Dynamic Plus package. This fire-breathing compact features a 2.5-liter inline-five that belts out 394 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. It delivers jaw-dropping acceleration, surging to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.5 seconds with soundtrack that's pure mechanical symphony. The RS3 pulls like a slingshot straight to its red line, feeling every bit as ferocious as its numbers suggest. Visually, the RS3 flaunts a more aggressive front fascia and a squircle steering wheel that looks cool, even if its touch controls replace the physical buttons some drivers prefer. The large dual exhaust tips? Pure theater, they're fake, but the optional RS Sport exhaust more than makes up for it, with that glorious 5-cylinder growl. On the road, the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission impresses with razor-sharp shifts, even proactively downshifting when descending steep grades without requiring sport mode. Handling is composed and confident, planted through corners, quiet around town, and less punishing than you'd expect. As features editor Scott Evans noted, the torque-vectoring rear differential on the RS3 is doing the Lord's work hiding the fact this car is front-wheel drive at its core. The result? A machine that feels rear-bias balanced and closer in spirit to a GTR than a Golf R. Fellow editor Christian Seaboss summed it up perfectly. That rear diff is a chef's kiss, the secret sauce that lets the RS3 dance from bend to bend. Inside, opinions were split. Some preferred the S3's cleaner cabin, while others appreciated the RS3's lime green accents. Both, however, share the same misstep. Too much piano black trim and hard plastic, which dulls the premium vibe and draws too many parallels to their Volkswagen cousins. Ultimately, the RS3 delivers pure performance nirvana, but demands a hefty price, and sacrifices a touch of luxury. The S3, meanwhile, hits a sweet spot between performance and practicality, offering thrilling pace without draining the wallet. Whichever you choose, both Audis have undeniable charm, standout exhaust notes, and that seasoned elegance only experience can bring. This evaluation was part of our 2026 Car of the Year, Cody, testing, where every contender faces the same 6 key benchmarks: efficiency, design, safety, engineering excellence, value, and performance of intended function. To qualify, vehicles must be either all new or significantly updated, and Audi's refreshed S3 and RS3 more than earned their place in the lineup.